Dear learners, today's topic is performance incentives, and this presentation covers the following topics. So the first one is, what do you mean by incentives and why these incentives are important? The basic forms of incentives, types of incentives, and finally the classifications of incentive plans. Now first one, what do you mean by incentives? The term incentives means something which encourages a person to do something. That means it is an extra compensation which is given to an employee for his good performance. Okay, so it is an extra reward, extra motivation. Okay, and it is a tool to motivate the employees for the better performance. And now next, why these incentives are important? Yes, these incentives are benefit for both the employers as well as the employees, and it is a reward for the superior performance, that is an extraordinary performance, and it may vary according to the level of performance. And the basic forms of incentives. So these are the basic forms of incentives, and the incentives can be given in the way of bonus, merit and commissions for the salespeople. Now next, types of incentives. There are two types of incentives. The first one is monetary incentives and second one is non-monetary incentives. Now coming to the monetary incentives, those incentives which recognize and reward a good performance through cash or shares in the way of salary, bonus, stock options, profit sharing plans, paid time off and pension schemes. So these are the financial incentives or monetary incentives, and these incentives can be provided in the way of cash. Now, non-monetary incentives, and these incentives do not involve any monetary reward or compensation. Okay, then how the employees are motivated? They are motivated by job security, by providing flexible timings and working conditions, work-life balance, training opportunities, career development, employee discounts and finally fringe benefits. So fringe benefits means extra benefits which is provided to employees in addition to salary or wages. So that is called as fringe benefits. Okay, so these are the benefits which is given by the organization. Now last, the kinds of incentive plans. Okay, so there are two kinds of incentive plans, individual incentive plan and second one is group incentive and organization wide incentive plans. Now first one is individual incentive plans. Incentive plans that reward individual employee efforts. Okay, that means the reward, the incentive can be given for the individual employee efforts. So that is individual incentive plans, and these plans can be classified into two categories. The first one is based on time, second one is based on the productivity. Okay, now first, based on times. So these are all the same meaning only. Halsey plan, Rowan plan, Emerson plan and Bidax plan. So, okay, according to these plans, the efficient workers are paid based on the time saved. Okay, so here the employees are paid based on the time saved. So, each plan have a standard time, and this standard time is compared with the actual time which is done by the workers, and based on that the incentive will be provided to the employees. And now next, based on productivity. Here these plans are based on the productivity. That means If the worker produce more products, then the rate, that is the wages, will be paid maximum than the standard rate. If they produce lower amount of products, then the rate will also be in the low. Okay, so here the incentives are based on the time, here the incentives are based on the productivity. If the workers produce more than the standard output, then they will be paid at the ordinary rate, not more than standard output, within the standard output. If they produce more than the standard output, then the worker will be paid more than the ordinary rate. Now next, group incentive plans. Here this plan reward all the members of a group equally based on the overall performance. And this plan can be categorized into three plans: Priestman plan, profit sharing, and Scanlon plan. So here the reward, the incentive will be provided to the overall team members. And finally, organization incentive plans. Here the incentives are provided to workers based on the successful performance of the entire organization. So the profit will be shared to the entire organization. So that is organization wide incentive plans. So these are the kinds of incentive plans. Okay, thank you.